So the people from Brazil want to learn some Serbian. Who better than me to teach them, right? This guy's like, just stay on the road, man. Just stay on the road. There's no airbags in here, man. Yeah, just stay on the road. The first word that you're gonna need to know in Serbian, pičku materinu.
Pičku materinu.
Pičku materinu.
Pičku?
Da.
Pičku materinu.
Materinu. Everywhere you go, if you see someone crash a bicycle, pičku materinu. If someone's pumping gas and they spill the gas, pičku materinu.
Pičku materinu.
Pičku. How do you not know this already? Mene se piški.
Mene se piški.
Excellent. Mi ćemo umreti na ovaj put.
Wow. Slow, please.
Means we're gonna die on this road.
How is it? Say it again.
Mi ćemo umreti na ovaj put. Ovaj put. Put is road. Ovaj is this one. Mi, umreti is die.
Umreti.
Da.
How can I say I hope not?
Let's see. Želim da ne bude. Želim da ne bude. I wish for that to not happen. Bullet train, man. Bullet train. No matter. We just raced the Serbian bullet train in one. Woo! Victory! We did it! Go team! Yay. High fives all around. Desi kurac. That's what you say to your friends. You know, like, where have you been? Lots of phrases ended with kurac. Basically, one of the few words you need to know in Serbian is kurac. Nada.
That's easy.
Kurac. You're welcome.
Hvala.
Da, kurac.